Hello guys, this is Ankit Shrivastava from @shortmedia.com, and in today's video we'll learn how to transfer WordPress website from one host to another. Well, in this case, what we have is my website is hosted on Namecheap, and what we will try is to transfer this Namecheap website to AWS hosting, which is Amazon Web Servers. So let's see how we can do that. So the first step would be to go to your WP admin access and go to plugin and go to your add new section. So you have to download one plugin which is all-in-one WP migration, and let's search that plugin. Yeah, this one. So just install now, and it will get installed. And why we are doing is this, because first we have to take the backup of your website. Okay, so just go to this plugin and export to, and then file. I've already done it, so I will not do that again, but you just go to export to and file, and your backup will be exported to your hard drive, and then we will see what we can do next. Yeah, so once you have created the backup of your site, what you will do is you just have to go to AWS console and log into your console, and here we'll create, just go to EC2, we'll create an WordPress instance to host our WordPress website there, and just select the whatever region you want. I am selecting US East, and just hit launch instance. Name whatever you like. I'm naming my website, and then we have to search for the WordPress image here. For this we have to go to search bar and type WordPress. Now you can see there are multiple WordPress instances, but what we want is the WordPress certified by Bitnami, which is the first option. Go to select and go to continue. Now you can see there are multiple options to configure the instance. You can customize the memory size of the instance, like 1 CPU, 2 CPU, 4 GB, 2 GB, whatever you like. I'm going for the free tier eligible one, which is 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. And now I'll create the key pair. Just name some random name to your key pair. Just remember to download it and keep it safe. And then what we'll do is just launch instance. Yeah, it's launching. Alright, now go to view instance, and you can see the first one, my website, is the instance that we just created. Now it's in pending state. We'll try to refresh it and see if the pending state changes to running, and then we can proceed further. Yeah, so it's running, and now to the next step. Let's see what you have to do. Now we just select the instance, my website, and go to action and monitor and troubleshoot and get my log. Now press Ctrl F or Command F, whatever system you are in, and search user here, and you will see this box. This will be your WordPress username and password for login, so just keep it safe. And I'll go back to your instance and go to your instance and select this and hit your instance ID, and you will see this public IPv4 address. Just open this address. Just ignore the warning, just proceed to the IP, and here you can see this that we have successfully installed the WordPress. We are logging in using the credentials. We have logged into our WordPress admin panel. This is completely blank website, and you can see this your AWS IP address here. Okay, now we'll try to point our domain, this domain, to that particular IP address. That in that way only we will be able to migrate our website to AWS. Okay, so you can see your AWS IP address is matching the address bar, which is your WordPress panel. Okay, so we'll just copy this IP address and go to your name server of your domain provider. In my case it's Hostinger, and I just went to the DNS name server section and we'll create a record. So we'll freshly create a record here and point your a record to the AWS IP address. You can see I've done that. This is my previous a record of the previous host, so I'll delete this. I'll delete all the a record that I have with the previous host, and I'll just keep the current one, which is AWS a record. So I'll delete this too, and this one also. You can see DNS has been recorded. DNS record has been deleted. We'll delete the txt record also, and we'll just keep the a record which is pointing to our AWS public IP address. Okay, so now let's see how's our site working. I am typing my domain here, and let's see. So as you can see, our site has been successfully migrated to AWS. That's the AWS IP. You can see now we are successfully redirecting to the AWS instance website. Now let's go to the WP panel, and now I've entered the credentials, and let's see, we are back in our WordPress WP panel. Now you have to do is go to plugins. Now you can see the site is not secure, but let's ignore that and first go to install plugin. Now what we will do is we will upload the backup that we took during the first step of this video. So we just go to plugins and type all-in-one WP migration, and here you can see yes, I have already installed it, so just activate it. And now all you have to do is just go to all-in-one WP and go to import, and just import from file and search for the backup which has been downloaded during the first step of this video. Here you can see that I have selected the backup, and now it's uploading. It will take some time depending on the size of your website and the network on which you are using the internet. So let's wait till it gets uploaded fully, and then we will see what the next thing to do. Let's wait for the upload. Well, after a few minutes you can see that my site has been successfully uploaded. You can see that the certificate is not valid. It's showing because we have not installed the SSL. SSL certificate. So for that video, for that thing, I'll create a new video, because it's going to be a lengthy one if I include that particular step in this particular video. So just wait for the next video. This video was all about the transferring your domain or website from one host to another. So what we did was, we just took the backup of our website, and then we made a new instance to an AWS, and then we uploaded the backup of our website to the AWS to the WordPress website that we created via AWS, and then our site has been migrated to from Namecheap to AWS. Well, I hope you liked the video, and please let me know if it helped you, or did you face any problem during this complete process. If yes, if you faced any problem, then please comment below and I will try to respond. And if it helped you and you did it successfully, then please like, share and subscribe this channel, and do let me know that what else you want to know. If you want to learn about pay-per-call, WordPress website, anything else regarding digital marketing, then please let me know. And next video we will learn how to set up a free SSL certificate to the WordPress website. Alright, so thank you. This is Ankit Shrivastava signing off from @Media. Take care, have a good one.